Welcome back, everybody, to Funky D Star TV News Time. Headline: Over 50 kidnapped by suspected bandits in Niger. The same Niger when they don't collect money on top their head. Okay? The same Niger when Sheikh Gumi don't tell the whole Nigerian people, say, if you give bandit money, then nobody kidnap again. Which day they release those people according to their claim. Remember, say, don't tell us, say, everybody when they kidnap since they don't release them. People when they kidnap, they don't release all of them. Once again, they never arrest any bandits. Anytime when they hear, see, people they complain about the kidnapping, then go come out the next day, come tell you, say, oh, they don't release them. This one a game inside one Nigeria. Okay, today then they tell us now, say they don't kidnap over 50 again in the same Niger. Minna, the capital city of Niger. Now there them Babangida then come from. A lot of prominent men in Nigeria come out from that Niger state in the north. Efulefu people, when they are Nigeria, when they believe APC and PDP, I don't tell them, I say, the kidnapping no go ever stop. If you like, carry 1 billion bullion van, fully loaded with hard and harsh currencies, go give the bandits and the Boko Haram and all of them. They no go ever stop the kidnapping. As one Nigeria continues, so also kidnapping, killings continues. It will never, ever stop. Because all hand they point at Aso Rock and the governors. Say na demo, and Nigerian people who will never physically rise up to say enough is enough. When una don't already know where una problem they come from. All of una know where una problem they come from. Even some of our brothers, when they some part of the countries in Western world, and some of them when they're Nigeria there, they keep on chanting one Nigeria. One Nigeria will never save you. You when they there, they chant, say, oh, one Nigeria, oh, I go do this, oh, one Nigeria go good, and this and that. Nothing. It no go ever good in that country. Una know the people when be on a problem, Nigerian people. Una know now, see, not be that poor person when they very close to you be your problem. But the people, when una claim, see, una vote put for power, and then be all of una problem. Okay? Not be new thing, no. The people self, when they confess all these things, now the same Fulani people, when they with them be insiders, including governors from the northern part of the country. Some of them don't tell you now, see, their problem na them when on a vote put there. Look at waiting that Ganduji is content Nigerian people. The man never even finish his statement. They don't arrest the man because they tell Nigerian people the truth. Today now they don't tell us, say they don't release the man. They don't release the man, no, but Sowore will not do anything. Sowore still they go. They meet, they do meeting. Now meeting, I call that one. Who the crazy Fulani people? Then go Sowore to ransom because Sowore not there among them. Even if say na Yoruba man, Sowore not still there among them. So if you're not there among them, now so then go they punish you up and down. The man when it go review say na APC be the problem in that country. That Ganduji is. Not them, either among them. That is why they quickly release him. And again, because he's a Fulani man. If na someone or somebody won't come from southeastern part of the country, that person no go see son again, or brother. Even the man who record that the Yatta, they don't tell us he done the chain, and when they arrest the man till today, they don't see the man again. No prison in Nigeria when the man dead. Meaning, see, they don't already buy that man long time. Sowore case day since how many years now? The case still linger on. No wonder when Showore go carry Juju man for Concord today. Make the Juju man see happen. So, but na so life be. The guy when be Showore, he not just understand wetin dey happen, because a court where you dey come now, you go come inside court. The people when you feel say you go meet, when we talk about the case where you get, you no go see them. Every time the same thing. They will tell you say come next 3 months, come next 4 months, come next 5 months. Wetin Showore do to deserve all these things? Nothing. But the people when be the evil ones when they that country, the bad eggs when they that country, when be the Fulani people, these Fulani people, nothing what they do to them. Nothing. Nobody they arrest them, nobody they talk about them, nobody they condemn these evil people in Nigeria. No politician don't come out boldly challenge the Fulani people. None of them. Because all of them they in the same one Nigeria agenda. I say, Showore, that man now, they don't just arrest that Ganduji person. They don't release him 2 days ago. The Showore case, Showore will not do anything. They still they postpone this guy court. Come here today, come tomorrow, come next tomorrow. I say wonders shall never end in that country. So these people, when be the kidnappers, when don't kidnap thousands of people, keep thousands of people in that country. Nothing they do them. They never arrest any of the bandit, ladies and gentlemen. Then they go collect, carry millions of dollars, go give them for wherever they're there. Only God know where these people they. The God and those people when they inside Aso Rock, now they know where these bandit people they, and the police and the army people. And this same group of people, now they know the reason why when they exist. They go Sierra Leone, they go Mali, they go a different part of Africa there. Go carry this people come in 2015. Since 2015. According now them they claim and say na Sierra Leone and there's some other part of the country that they go carry all these Fulani people come when don't destroy Nigeria finish. A lot of people don't go there. I mean in their den come out, come they claim say the Fulani people they tell them say men na Nigerian government na them be their problem because they're not fit pay them. They're not fit fulfill their promise. That is why all of them carry arms. And at the end of the day, some quarters too, they claim say na still the government, they carry arms and ammunition, they give these people. You don't see something. So, una when be Nigerian people, una don't know what be una problem, una know who be una enemies. The only thing one una need to do na to summon courage. Summon courage you before it go reach you. Not say no go reach you because we see as all these things they take escalate. So ladies and gentlemen, make we take a look how these people take kidnap 50 people again today in the same Niger state. Over 50 persons were said to have been kidnapped by armed bandits along the Tagina-Mena route in Rafi local government area of Niger State. The incident, it was gathered occurred Tuesday when 3 commercial vehicles conveying 9 passengers. The incident, it was gathered occurred Tuesday when the 3 commercial vehicles conveying 9 passengers, including the drivers, ran into the roadblock at Kandu set up by bandits. The passengers in the 3 cars were kidnapped and conveyed to an unknown location, and the vehicles were left by the roadside, according to Daily Post. Similarly, in a related development, armed bandits also attack Gading Goro town in Rafi Council and adopted some villagers and went away with valuables. Also, one person was killed and many others kidnapped when bandits unleashed terror on the Matia town, Sarono local government area on Monday evening. The bandits gathered also ransacked the houses of the villagers and stole their foodstuff and other valuables. Effort to get the reaction of the state police command failed as at the time of filing this report, as the police public relations officer PPROSP Wosu not because put through his line. However, a senior government officer who does not want the name mentioned said, up till this moment, nothing has been heard from the bandit for the government to know the identities of those abducted. Can you imagine? They are even talking about government. Everything now na government. Government, they don't tell you say na they can't kidnap you. You they see the hope for government. Government, they tell you say na they kidnap you. They talk say, oh, they never hear anything for government to know the names of people when they don't kidnap. Can you imagine these people? They don't tell you say na your government na they kill you, na they can't adopt you, na they can't they do everything, na they send these people to come destroy lives and properties. Now you see talk about for government to know say to know about people when they kidnap. What are you governmenting? What are you calling government for? So now and they tell us say they don't kidnap. Where did they do all these things now? One state, ladies and gentlemen, only one state in the northern part of the country where they call Niger State. How police go pick call when you know say when you already know say na them. Things they happen that they call the AK them then know say that thing they happen. The thing they go on in that area when the thing they happen. They're not gonna ever pick your call. They're not gonna ever pick your call. So una must know the kind of problem when all of una don't put on herself. Here again they tell us say bandit kidnap 18 passengers in Niger. Another one again. Okay? In Niger State. So una go know the kind of problem when all of una drag on herself put inside. Those of una when they go for Bola Tinubu, when Bola Tinubu come, una no go see road o. Una no go see road in that country. Now they tell you now say Boko Haram is calling for war. Then they call for war. Then the United Nations people now, all of them don't take off. All of them don't run. Here again they tell us say Bola Tinubu in trouble as EFCC beam searchlight on his assets. They don't beam the searchlight now on his assets. But that is not enough, ladies and gentlemen, because at the end of the day, nothing will still happen to the jagaban of the whole criminals. All these things now, politics. Nothing will ever happen to the man. All this where they talk now, noise making. All of them, now done them. They're not going to ever probe them. Because not be today when people they call for the probe of this man they call Bola Ahmed Tinubu. Not be today. Nothing will ever happen to Bola Tinubu. Anybody when if you see get waiting EFCC go do Bola Tinubu, you they lie to yourself. If to say Bola Tinubu come from the southeastern part of the country, that one another different thing. But now Yoruba man when in sit down inside Aso with the whole impostors when them bring come that country. So tell me how they go pro Bola Tinubu now when we see him they work hand in hand with the criminals when they there. They can never probe any Bola Tinubu. Ladies and gentlemen, about the COVID-19, the news they tell us say dozens of Italian school teachers become sick after receiving COVID-19 vaccine. So then they warn on about this COVID-19 fraud. the fraud when they inside the COVID-19, it too plenty. It too plenty. If you want go take COVID-19 injection, it's up to you. It's up to you. Okay. Another headline say Boko Haram kill many soldiers, steal weapons, gunmen attack Fulani settlement. Now battle did that country. Fulani and the gunmen, where they cliff, all of them are the same thing. Now they tell us now say, and also 5 soldiers when these Boko Haram don't gone now. They come hijack everything when they carry. All the whole gun of even their machine guns, even their everything when they carry, they carry around. Yeah, again, then they tell you now say, then they tell us again say, gunmen hijack bus filled with students in Rivers, demand 2 million ransom. This one na Rivers, so brother, I don't tell on that. This gunmen thing. When they talk, this banditry thing, this bandit of a thing, ladies and gentlemen, I don't tell all of them, make una wake up, because this thing when they do in the north, when they go fully prepared for the southeastern people, it go ready well for everybody in that country. That is why we tell una say make una forget about this one Nigeria fraud when una dey inside, because if una not forget them, this bandit of a thing then go take over everywhere. Remember say na them be the same Boko Haram people. Remember say na them still be the herdsmen, the same people. Now then they do all this. Then they tell you now say na Rivers now where they tell you now this one they happen. Okay? As we tell us small say make una forget about this one Nigeria thing. Una not one lesson. Una not one lesson. See things when they happen in Nigeria. See things when they happen in Nigeria. Another one they tell us now say a bandit attack a Motekun operative. VGN members in Ogun. Okay? FG supplies us with AK-47 guns we used to kill Nigerian people, repentant Boko Haram. Insecurity. Some people are benefiting from banditry in Nigeria. Senate President. Can you imagine? Senate President. Yeah? So you will hear and now. You will hear and well. See, now then they tell you now, see another fraud where they don't come tell us again. Buhari has finally taken action that may lead to the end of banditry in Zamfara state. Who is Buhari? You don't have any Buhari. You don't have any Buhari. And there is no action that is going to be taken by anybody. Nobody will be able to stop this banditry in anywhere in that country. Nobody. To forget about your Buhari, take action. Not be today. Buhari don't tell us say he don't defeat Boko Haram more than 20 times. Every time he tell us he don't defeat Boko Haram. Sometimes he will come and go say, oh, he don't deploy. Look, there is no Buhari to start with. Stop deceiving yourself. Stop deceiving yourself. Buhari cannot do anything, and nobody go fit quench the issue of banditry anywhere in that country will be Nigeria. Tragedy as bandit launched another deadly attack, killed 6 people, all in Nigeria. Drama as Habali storms Abuja courts in solidarity with Omoyele Sowore. Ladies and gentlemen, now here we will stop this one again. No, I don't hear things when they happen in Nigeria. All of them got to be very, very careful. This vaccine matter, agenda they under them. Anything when your leader they tell you, not listen to them. You don't hear many people they die after they don't take this sin. Na death be that too. Not say you not hear. Leave them when they tell you say Buhari won't take vaccine with Osinbajo. All na wayo. All na wayo. No Buhari there, and they are not taking any vaccine.